You can use curve channels for looping animation. So first create a keyframe by hitting S and then move with the cube S again, and we can see we have the animation. I will make it faster, and now here comes the magic. I can right click up here and select the curve channels, press infinity, and I will choose oscillate. Then right click again, curve channels, post infinity, and oscillate. And you can see we have our looping animation made just with few clicks, and I'm controlling it with these two keyframes. So when I want to make it faster, it's going like this, slower, it's going like this. And to better understand what's happening, you can go to display and show curve. And once you click on the location, you can see the curve up here. So when I change it, you see we are changing this sinus curve. Pretty cool. But now we are using oscillate, so we are going to the end and to the beginning and so on. And you can also use the infinite loop, let's say for rotation. First keyframe, then go to rotation around z-axis 360 and right click, and now choose cycle. Right click again and choose cycle, and right click again to see what's happening here. And you see we have this step animation. Okay, and we can change it to linear, and voila, we have this infinite rotating animation only with these two keyframes. And we can control the speed by just adjusting these two keyframes.